Hi, my name is Mimi Thompson and you're watching One Mom's Perspective on how my daughter learned to recognize letter names and sounds. My daughter's name is Alice. I call her Alli. She is 4 years old and was born with trisomy 21, also known as Down syndrome. Alli has been exposed to letters, sounds, and visuals since she was a baby. These letter foams from the dollar store were useful for teaching Alli the letters, developing her fine motor skills, and providing some sensory input. It was also nice that she couldn't swallow it. By age 1, Alli seemed to have recognized many of the letter visuals or shapes. When she started speaking single words at age 2, Alli began to say and associate the letter names to those letter shapes she had recognized. Cute for quiet. Other than playing with visual letters, the vast YouTube alphabet songs online has helped Alli learn to recite A through Z repeatedly, daily. I would not have been able to repeat the alphabet songs as much. Plus, Alli responds exceptionally well to music, so it was a fun and fruitful way for her to learn the alphabet. It's for girl. By age 3, Alli had memorized the alphabet song and recognized all 26 letter names. Unfortunately, as a first-time mom, I did not realize earlier how important recognizing letter sounds was until the summer before Alli attended preschool. Fortunately, Alli had recognized the letter visuals enough that she only needed to learn to speak and associate the letter sounds accordingly. And yeah, who's that? Olivia. Yeah, Olivia. And who's that? Garrett. That's right. To help with that, part of her morning routine as she's waking up before breakfast would be to watch and recite YouTube videos that helped with letter sounds. Of the 3 videos, Alli could decide after the first 2 if she would want to watch the third one. Decision making is an empowering experience. Whenever Alli refused, we would negotiate. A little bit of letters, then a lot of music. Good job, Alli. Letters, then music, okay? Negotiating is also an empowering experience, especially when it's a win-win. One year later, the routine still worked. The first video helped Alli with diction to say the letter sounds clearly. The second video demonstrated for Alli on how to move her lips and mouth as she hears the letter sounds. The third video showed Alli how the letter names and sounds become part of a word with visuals and sign language. This routine, however, was skipped if Alli has had a rough night.
Do it again.
Want to do it again? Okay. What letter is that? H, yeah, for house. That's right.
House.
Alli, what letter is that? I.
Key for key. For lion. Orange juice. Puppy. Queen. Rabbit.
Yeah, rabbit. Allie, what is this?
Sofa.
That's right. Can you put it letter S? Can you put on letter S? Good job.
S. T. U. E. What?
That's right. Watch.
Watch.
X for X-ray.
X-ray.
There's a box. Z. Can you say Z? It's for zip. That's right. At age 4, Allie has recognized all her letter names and letter sounds. Of course, reinforcing her learning when reading books continues to be a practical course towards her learning how to eventually read words. K, N, can, A, B, K, D. Click like for this video if you like how I'm sharing my perspective on how my daughter learned to recognize letter names and sounds. Subscribe to my channel, One Mom's Perspective, if you can tune in to how I teach my daughter other topics such as scissor cutting and dressing herself. Say attention. Say up. Allie, say up. Umbrella. Feel free to leave your comments, share this video with family and friends, even make a request. Just be kind and enjoy the rest of your day. To her educators, therapists, and my mother, I would like to say thank you for assisting Allie in her development. Let's keep up the great work. Thanks for watching.